but I'll just turn on the record button and say we have the low of the bar right here. If you look right here, the low of the bar right up here at the top, it says the low of the bar is at 14. So you want to buy 20 ticks above that. 20 ticks above that. Right. And the reason you want to buy 20 ticks above it, 14 is what I said right there. 20 ticks above it is because this is a 19 range bar. So we know where that bar is going to close. It's going to close right here at 33. If it closes up, it's a valid trade, and it's going to close right here at 33. So we want to get triggered in if it does give us the up close, because we know it's going to be a valid trade. And where do we expect it to go? All the way up to 72. There, it just triggered us in. Right, gave us a little bit of slip, one tick of slip, which is not a big deal. Our stop is 25 ticks away. 25 ticks away. We want this to go 10 ticks into profit, and we'll bump the stop to break even. There's 5 ticks. It's going to get right up here to 45, and we'll hit the break even button. Okay, and what we expect is it's going to get all the way up here to 40.72. I mean 72 at least is what we expect out of this. Okay, that's the minimum that we expect out of this. It's going to go one more tick, and there it is. We'll hit the break even button. Stop goes to break even. And now as it continues up, we're going to lock in profit. Okay, now these are 19 range bars. So when this bar closes up, I'm going to start locking in some profit. Okay. And it should be closing in just a second. I'm going to lock in profit right now. Lock in 10 ticks on that. So now I got 10 ticks locked in, and I'm out with 10. I probably should have let it close up and then locked in the 10. But that's all you need to do. That is the trade setup there. From beginning to end. You see the trade is coming, you put the buy stop limit order on. That's why we use range bars. The ribbon is spread out. We came back, we bounced off the ribbon. You don't have to actually bounce off the ribbon, but I do like it when it does. And we popped out of the oversold down here. Alright? That's all you need for the trade setup.